Buhle Betfu, welcome to yet another amazing episode. My name is Nelly Somakanya. The Lubombo excursion has not ended. We are still continuing with it in this episode of today, where we are bringing you Simunye Country Club. As you can see, this frame thing that I'm on right now, we are bringing you all that you can get to enjoy and experience as you are here at Simunye. We are excited over this and we can't wait to hear what Simunye is all about. When you talk about this place, it has been trending on social media and all these platforms that it is the best place to be, most especially when you talk about their food. We are ready to find out what they have to offer for us. Let's go.
Ngiyabonga ukuthola leli thuba ukhuluma nabo ngekile Msimangu, assistant manager la Simunye Country Club.
Alright, that's awesome. Yeah, indawo yakho inhle kakhulu. So I'd love to know more about Simunye, just Simunye Club, what is it all about when they can sound off your
Okay. Simunye Country Club briefly ngamchaza njengekuthi for anyone lo interested ukuthi abe ne fun. So this is the right place for those people. Siya offerisha sine accommodation, cinema, cottages ethu la khona if ni family ayakhona ukuthi unaccommodate. Cinema budget rooms whereby nalo mhlambe imali yakhe in afune ma rooms that cheap yet classic. We do have a budget singles, cinema standard rooms, nema local homes for a big, maybe a big group labafuna kuda babe kanye kanye. Yes, and then moving on to the restaurant, we do have a restaurant here for lengathatha up to 90 people plus a private dining room maybe for my party if maybe ufuna ukuthi ube wait for something private. Yes, it can take up to 40 people. And then also we have got square lesisanza kuvula outside. It can take maybe up to plus or minus 200 webantu. Also we have got conferences la ngathatha up to 150 people depending on the setup. For team buildings, yes, Simunye Country Club is the right place for my organizations which are conduct team buildings with our beautiful gardens for maybe my activities outside and the conferences. And also for we have got a swimming pool in the kids section la khona iba okay for bantwana and also maybe for adults. For families kuthi nje enjoy. Siphinde sibe ne gym lesinayo for guest ethu kuthi ayisebenzise. Yes, weddings we do have wona siya caterisha also for external functions.
Okay.
Yes, we do cater, but if usitshele prior ngesikhathi sikhona ukuthi siarrange konke kuze konke kuhamba kahle. Simunye Country Club uya offerisha a buffet breakfast. So it's full buffet which is it's 145. Ivula from 6:30 up to 10 iyavalwa. Depending on the number of people that maybe sisuke sinabo on that particular day. If maybe there are more than 20, we are able to provide the buffet breakfast. But if there are less than 20, we have got a menu whereby ba order con. Yes. And then we also offer a buffet lunch. Nayo sikhona kuyendela groups from 20 people upwards. So ifaka ikhathi ibuffet yethu starter and kube nema selection of salad, selection of veggies, ne main course seke sema desserts. Ibuffet yethu nayo it's 195 per person excluding drinks. And also if not a buffet sinayo a braai menu for those that are interested ku braai. It's up to them. Baya select my choices abo siyaba braayela, ba choose a venue laba comfortable ukuthi bangayisebenzisa. And bese sesibake ne a la carte whereby as you have stated ukuthi boma baker and staff, the restaurant is also open for that as well. Depending kule style saleyo function siya offerisha thina ukuthi il customer litsinge in lifonani. Ema weddings siya wa hosta because sinawo ema venue depending ukuthi ufuna kuba kuphi, angaba ku square, angaba ku garden, maybe si set up a stretch tent sikusevele khona le ku garden. So ema prom like nyalo nje tikolwa theater, we do host ema proms with the extension license yethu ikhona kusallow up to 11. So siyakhona ke ku accommodate nema proms ukuthi bakhone ukuthi enjoy basesenathi. And then for my organizations, as I've mentioned earlier, if bafuna kuletha ema teams abo for team building, we do cater for ema conferences, and we also assist. You find that sometimes lamanye ama organizations bafuna kuya kubohlane for ema game drives. We assist sizame kuku arrangela. We can also pay maybe on their behalf ukuthi bahambe, then bona they can pay us. Yes. So it's Hlane and Mbolozi, all lama lodges siyakhona thina ukuthi siwa assist ema customer aid. Lamanye ukhanze ukuthi afuna kuto vakashela res, kuto kuvaka bandi, siyakhona kuba xumanisa nalapho. For birthdays, yes, we do cater nema venues la hluke up to ke manitse ama customers yawa advisor.
All right, mhlambe umbukele ekhaya ngafisa kwadi ukuthi ngabe Simunye uprepare ini as far as Christmas is concerned ngoba sesi-approach festive season. So idaba njani festive season la khaya mhlambe mamenyu nalo kwanalokho.
Okay. Simunye uyalungiselela lengakusho for ema customer. And the management ilungisile a traditional buffet meal for my customer aid for Christmas. And also we have got a buffet braai for Christmas. So okay, it's up to them ukuthi bachuza kuphi, but lokumcoka ukuthi kufune babooke prior because we normally close. We don't take bookings on Christmas.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So I'd also love to know, as you mentioned earlier, a collaboration in Nalethi Kona, Eswatini Tourism Authority, involvement yake in Sitanganani Simunye, and we will see in Sitanjans in Connect Sana now, Uncle my partners now, we will see Connect reach out to the entire country.
Okay. It's a cool in the sense that as bus marketer, Simunye Country Club, siyakhona lo ukuthi the response from their marketing ibe positive on our side. So and bantu they've got to feel my experiences alabanye bantu ukuthi sile Simunye sakhanza kukanje. So in that case ngingasho ukuthi thineba kusisite kakhulu, and nekuthi lo munye ezingisho ukuthi siya baxhumanisa nalalamanye ema lodges. So lo munye as I experience yake Simunye, yes, nalomunye utaba interested.
All right, so how do people usually get in contact with Simunye Club? Be present here in maybe social media, how has been the response and just generally in the country when it comes to Gutawabu Simunye? What are they saying?
Oh, if feedback lesiye sithole inhle kakhulu. and ke isenda nathi sikhone ukuthi sitinake sitikase, because some of our customers, they come as far as Bombabani, so they like the piece like it's quiet, so it's okay for them even for my conferences. So lokunye labaphinze bakuthanze ngathi kuthi kudla kwethu yes kumnanzi kakhulu, and bakhona ukuthola at a cheaper price, as ngumentionile ama prices ethu so yinhle kakhulu feedback lesithola. Okay. Yes. No. And in terms of the service nayo ba happy kakhulu ngayo, because it's ne staff sethu les trained, ibo chef bethu benda sure ukuthi kudla kwethu nakuphuma kuba kuhle kakhulu for ama customer.
All right, how do they get hold of you? Your social media contacts and all that? How
okay, bangasi follow ka Facebook. Okay. And then WhatsApp bangasebenzisa 7614 4514 inombolo yethu yaka WhatsApp. For ema emails bangas-emailela ku scc_reception@res.co.za. I-landline yethu ke ithi +268 23134 758. Reception ke batase baya ba transfer kuma departments labasuke bafuna ukukhuluma ngawo.
Ngiyethemba ke mbukele ekhaya, you understand it better now what Eswatini Tourism Authority is saying to us when they are saying choose Eswatini, most especially in this festive season. Just look at this beautiful swimming pool that I'm at right now. This is all that you can find La Simunye Country Club. Let us just take a short break, and when we're coming back, there is more that I have for you. We are still on the Lubombo excursion. Stay tuned. Welcome to the show, Buhle Betfu. As you heard from the interview that we had with the people of Simunye, they mentioned something about collaborating with other business establishments and places of interest that are here in the Lubombo region, more like Hlane Royal National Park, which is what I am about to bring you now, which is an experience that you want to have now. And let's see what Hlane Royal National Park is all about.
Allow me to start in the white rhino head, do the rhinos, and then straight to the lion area, and from the lion area we will do the main area. igama lami ngilakhe ungakavulakade Sibongo. La khaya ngisebenza as i-guide, shothi ngimlo thatha ivakashi ahambe nato lamahlathini ngibalayela tinyamatana. Sine la sidume kakhulu ngaleli bhubesi since kuyi-reserve le yodvana lena lamabhubesi. Sinawo-ke lamabhubesi kukhanga tivakashi tethu, sinetindlovu nato lecishe setitfolakala lakithi kuphela, nato tikhanga tivakashi tethu. Sinema-rhino nawo latikhanga tivakashi tethu. Yes, cishe ngileto tilwane leto. Sengileletinye-ke tilwane letincane ngoba nato noma besingatibona lele tinkulu. Nasingabona tona todvana singasayiboni impala, sekungazuthi nje sivalele lenkulu todvana vela kuse-game reserve. Nawuye-game reserve ugadze kuyibona impala, gadze kuyibona inyalo, gadze kuyibona ijirafu nezebra. Sinato nato leto tilwane leto. I-bushwalk ubhekekile ukuthi ukugcokisa kwemntu uvele uhambe ehlathini. Kunemanyeva sithi faka sicathulo lesivalekile, ufake libhuluko lelidze lapho zende lapho sinaleti hlahla letincane letinemanyeva tingakuphazamise ngiseti yakuhwaya imbala yonke lento. Nemibala loyigcokako imbala nje lengathi neutral, hayi imbala letawukhanga silwane siseselapha khashana, yabona lo. Yes, for safety. Yes, siyasitibute-ke netivakashi tethu ukuthi kukhona yini mhlambe lokugula emtimbeni lanako, yebo kona sekusensitive lokho, sekungathi sifuna kwati ukuthi uphethwe yini. Cha, kakhulu si-concerned ngema-allergies nalokwati nje ukuthi ngihamba nemuntu lo mhlambe lwalimala inyonga ngibekise, akumele ngihambe ngepace lengakanani, ngingahambi futhi i-distance lenze ukuze isivakashi sami sitobuya sijabulile. Umgomo wethu omunye kuconserva imvelo, kugcina imvelo, shothi le nyoni siyidzinga iphila. So kuyibulala ngenxa yekuthi mhlambe uva liphangwa ngathi noma liphangwa noma indlala, akukho emthethweni lokho. Ngakubanga lokho ukuthi encenye usivakashi sethu ukuthi uvakashi litojabule encenye sowehlelwa kulesiphosiso lethu ukhanze ungasabuyeli nasekhaya encenye so ubukene nengalo yemthetho.
Igama lami mina ngisamkelisiwe ngwakangwenya, ngicamp manager wala ehlane Royal National Park. Kule festive season lena njengoba sathi ukuthi vele tivakashi tethu letinengi titabete semaholideyini, silungise kahle indzawo yethu yokosela tinyama la ngaphandle njengalokubona nje sinetindzawo letinengi lapho khona abantu bangahlala bosinyama. Bavumelekile ke tivakashi tethu ukuthi bangeta nenyama yabo bose. Siphindze ke futhi nasi sinayo i-restaurant yethu lebangayisebenzisa la ekhaya bathenge kudla kwethu. Sinako nekokunatha kwalabadzala nalabancane kukhona la e-restaurant yethu. So ngakhisimusi nje silabe sipheke ngagalaza. Sinayo i-Christmas lunch yethu lesinayo. Kuvumelekile imindeni nema-individuals bangeta nabo. Silabe sikhangisa kakhulu inyama yethu yala epark letinyama nje tethu tema-game meats. So tabi khona nje i-hog on the spit. Silabe futhi sinawo ke nekudla kwesintu ukuthi mhlambe wena ukhanika lokwesintu kutabe kukhona nako, kutabe futhi kukhona ke nekwesilungu kudla lesitabe sikulungiselele tivakashi tethu tonke. So noma ngabe nje uthanza sintu wodwa noma uthanza silungu ungeta. Futhi uvumelekile ke ngalo Christmas ukuthi mhlambe wena nje ufuna kuta nemndeni utosela inyama, ungeta ke utotosela uhlale nemndeni wakho. Sinato tindzawo letivalekile la ngetulu ukuthi mhlambe nalina litulu nihlale nemndeni wakho nose nidle noma ngabe liyana litulu. Sina lahlane sinato tindzawo tekulala, bangeta tingeta tivakashi tethu titozivakashela. Tihlukeneke kabili tindlu tethu lesinato lana, sinetindlu ema-self catering units langalala 8 webantfu, kusho ukuthi nje umndeni wonke unganela kuleyo ndlu inemakamero langalala lo 8 webantfu. Siphindze futhi sibe nema-self catering units langalala 2 webantfu. Lokho ukuthi mhlambe nje wena ungibabe namako ufuna kuta ungeta nawo totilalela kuleyo ndlu. Siphindze ke futhi sibe nawo emalondo lesinawo la ngi-24, lokusho ukuthi nakhona bangalala babe babili kuleyo ndlu labatekto ulala lana. Siphindze sibe ne-campsite yethu lesinayo, lokusho ukuthi mhlambe nje wena awukhanuki kulala endlini, ukhanuka kuba la ngaphandle ngoba vele phela lana sisemahlathini. Uyathatha lithende lakho ute nalo ufike ulendlale la sikukhombise khona. Likhona ke likhishi na ufuna kupheka ngakhona. Likhona futhi netindlu ke tekugezela la utawuphuma khona uyogezela khona na ukhempile, uphindze futhi ube nenzawo la utokhona kosela khona na ufuna kosa wena lapha kulama camping sites ethu nawo avumelekile. Siyawakhuthaza eMaswati akithi ukuthi akete nawo ato experience lenzawo yasehlane ngoba letilwane letikhona laveni tethu eMaswati ukuthi sitawukhona kutibona nebantfa bethu batibone basebancane. Sinawe mabhubezi sinato nje letilwane letinkulu tindlovu bete batobona abantfa bethu kulo Christmas la ehlane. Bete futhi nabo bato experience lokudla lesinako, ungagcini ukuyibona imphala esigangeni uthi utoyidla uyive ukuthi hawu injani imphala. La kithi sinawo ke ama rates ethu futhi nebantu beMaswati la sinawo ama special rates eMaswati. Lokusho ukuthi nawuliswati nje yakho imali ingaphasi inyana. So kusibeke ethubeni lelihle ukuthi sikhone kuMaswati ukuthi sito experience ihlane at its best. Siyatholakala ngelicingo ningasishayela lofuna kushaya ngashaya abhuke na ku social media sikhona na ku WhatsApp futhi sikhona. Ninga WhatsApp kusho sicha thina sifisile kuvakasha ihlane kulo Christmas. Siyatholakala i-cellphone sinayo ne landline number sinayo.
My name is Piyo Dlamini. I am the Communications Coordinator at the Eswatini Tourism Authority. As the Eswatini Tourism Authority, we are hosting our first media tour under this year's festive season tourism campaign, which we have themed Choose Eswatini. And we also have supporting themes la hambisana ke nalo Choose Eswatini, lango hashtag Pola Eswatini, hashtag Phumula Eswatini na hashtag Ngcebeleka Eswatini. Lesizama kukusho kahle hle kini Maswati ukuthi siyanikhuthaza ukuthi niphume siphume sijabulele buhle belive laseSwatini kulama holiday lawa aKhismosi. Siyanikhuthaza ke ukuthi niphume nivakashele letindzawo letihlukahlukene la neveni laseSwatini. Sicaleke la eLibonjeni basimemile ke eMhlume Country Club, eMananga Country Lodge naseSimunye Country Club ukuthi site lana sive ukuthi la eLibonjeni yini labanayo basiphathele ini ngoba siyathi ukuthi ema holiday aKhismosi asho ukuthi labaningi betfu ba free sithathe ama leave siyaphuma sifuna kuvakasha nemindeni nebangani nalapho lesibathandzako. So sithi asesenikhombise ukuthi lana eLibonjeni if you are to come to the Lubombo region yini ongafika uyithanze yini ongafika uyithokotele wena nebantfu lobathandzako kulama holiday aKhismosi. Kunema nature walks, kunema boat cruises, kunema tinfo nje letiningi i-golf that you can play as well. Kudla kwakhona kumnanzi, kunema games for children. Ngeke uze ubhoreke na ufika eLibonjeni. So our aim for being here kunikhombisa ukuthi Lubombo is the place to be. iLubombo indzawo levakashelekako nekuthi sinikhuthade ukuthi nisisavakasha eSwatini ningakhohlwa kuda eLibonjeni.
Ngiyethemba ke mbukeli wabuhle bethu ukuthokodele konke lebesilethele kona ehlelweni lanamuhla. This was the Lubombo excursion courtesy of Eswatini Tourism Authority. Utawuchubeka ke mbukeli usilanzelele kithi tonke tinkundla tekuxhumana teflesinato, which is our YouTube channel and also our Facebook page. Make sure that you hashtag all these beautiful and wonderful places that you get to visit in the kingdom of Eswatini, because it inspires us to bring you these amazing places that you can visit right here on Buhle Betfu. Follow us on these social media platforms. Talk to us there. Talk to us in town when you meet us. Let's talk about this beautiful country. We're choosing Eswatini, most especially this festive season. Enough is enough with us going out to other countries. We have all the fun and all the entertainment right here in the land. Our country is very beautiful and you need to be here. Until next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.